Hello, I'm Svi from Geek in NY, and I want to show you a website that we did for Auto Locksmith in Reno. Over here we did everything. We did the design, the video editing, writing, logo. We created Google Map. We verified it with Google. We created Yelp pages. We did the marketing, the SEO, everything to A to Z. This is what we do as a company in Geek in NY. This is a company, Geek in NY. We taking services, any client. We doing everything from A to Z, from branding the website to marketing the website to be in the first page of Google. We do it all. You don't need to do nothing. We try to make it easy and fast process to our clients. We're doing the web design, online reputation, SEO, social marketing. Each case, it's by case to case, depend on the budgets, but we do it all. We create the videos, map optimization. We are Google certified. We also won an award with Google. We donate 10% back to the community. We've been featured in Fox News, ABC, NBC, etc. We have 5-star reviews all over the board, and I hope you join our company, be one of our clients, and you also leave us a good 5-star review. I want to show you what we did over here. So we created this website. We created this nice video of the client, like now is opening a door and opening a car, and this is services we did. We created nice logo, a very distinctive website, very bold, black on red, so people will see that we are serious, and will remember our website. The phone number is very bolded. You see already we have like 20 reviews, 5 stars. We created the Google Map. We created nice video for the website.
Welcome to Auto Locksmith Reno service. Our local locksmith pro team in Reno has extensive knowledge when it comes to all things car locksmith.
I want to show you the inside of the pages. As you see, automotive locksmith service, everything is like animated. The website is actually mobile friendly, optimized, very fast, HTTPS secure, everything that Google asks us to do from the website. We do it. Here in the blog section, you see we're always adding new pages, very relevant pages, so we can go back on up in the SEO. And this is a nice website that we did. I want to show you the result of the website. As you can see, we created like a few months ago. We already, if you're looking for Auto Locksmith and you're located in Nevada, we are already in the rank first, not first page, first position on Google. Auto Locksmith Valley something. We're already located, you see, in Valdez, Nevada. This is it's called Rank Tracker. It's checking for me. It's going to the mobile services in Google and in Reno, and checking over there. It's not for my computer. We located in New York, not in Reno. So you already can see we're car locksmith, position 2. We are top 5 in a lot of keywords, and we're still working on this website to promote it not only in 1 or 10 keywords. So in a lot of keywords, you're going to be feature in the top 5 of Google. This is our goal, and this is what we do for this project, Auto Locksmith Reno. So if you're looking for web design for a locksmith company, door repair company, or any other services, you can call us to Geek in NY. 844 Geek NYC 844-433-5692, and we will create for you a stunning website and optimized, mobile friendly, and everything that a business needs to is phone call to ring and ring and ring. So have a blessed day, and I hope to talk to you soon.